hair. I need to recolor my hair. Here's my little setup. I have my little setup where I put my phone right here on top of the Sega Genesis. This is my tripod. This is where I'm filming in my game room, and I do not want to show you my game room until it's fixed. It is a mess at the moment. But without further ado, let's go on to filming on this beautiful pile of Sega Genesis games. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your Sega Girl, your everything girl, coming to you from Canada with her nerdy glasses on. So I have been wanting to film this video for the last week and a half, but I haven't been able to. And I finally took my contacts out of my eyes. The kids are sleeping, it's late, and I'm like, I'm gonna film it. I am gonna film my unboxing of this very heavy parcel of comics. But let's say hi to my cat Squirrel. This is Squirrel. Squirrel, say hi to YouTube. Meow meow. Squirrel is my little buddy of the day. So if you don't know me, I am a collector and a thrifter and a cat mom, dog mom, human mom, and I have too many collections on the way. And they seem like they're never gonna stop. So I collect comics and video games and nightgowns and thrifted clothes. I don't know, who doesn't like buying clothing? I did stop buying fashion clothing and clothing for a few years. I think since 2016, I really didn't buy much clothing, only a few nightgowns at the thrift store, because I was focusing more on, like, you know, my other collections like video games, comics, and little figure toys. So anyways, I am back to thrifting for clothing, and that will be coming up on the next videos, some fashion hauls from thrifting. But for now, let's get into the comics, because I am so eager to open this box. And I am wearing this really nice thrifted onesie outfit. It's Hello Kitty. Almost dropped all my damn toys on my head. So let's go. Okay, so I'm thinking of filming this video where I show you the comics from like a bird's eye view, and I show you the comics inside. So there will be music playing. I hate filming with my glasses. Like, I never walk with my glasses or film with my glasses or take photo with my glasses, but this whole video will be me with my glasses because I just cannot see without them. Oh, look at this little buddy. I got him at the thrift store. It's a little gremlin. Been wanting to show you guys. Oh, he's just so adorable. Like, hold him like a little tiny baby. So cute. And he was in a baggie. I think it was $2.99. He had like other toys. Like I said, bags of toys at thrift stores has one good thing. The rest is just garbage in it. And I really wanted this little boy, so I got him. Even his nostrils are cute. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to show you the two video games that I did get on eBay. So all of these are secondhand items. So it's basically like, you know, going to the thrift store and buying, you know, thrifted comics and video games. So if you like comics, I hope you enjoyed this video and you hit a thumbs up and a like. And let's get it out of the way. Please subscribe to your... Okay, so let's go through the comics.
my comics in the comic unboxing. Saving these here for my little nephew's birthday because he likes Cars. So I got some 4 comics here for him. I didn't realize I had a double Cars comic. My favorites would be Darkwing Duck, The Emptiest, Princess of Gemstone. I'm not familiar with it, but I like the cover, and she's a princess. And I really like the Disney, Walt Disney comics. This one here has the different holidays, and they have the summer and autumn. And the fur looks good because it has ducks. I mean ducks, it has dogs. Speaking about ducks, Donald Duck's Adventures. We gotta love those. Here's Walt Disney Spring. Another comic about ducks. And Aladdin.
Hey guys, and that is it for my comic box unboxing. This is the eBay seller, so his name is going to be right here. I think it's Loco to Blue, and he has a fantastic, gigantic collection of comics, he told me. I believe his name is John. So his comic collection is mind-blowing. Like, he even had Little Mermaid, he had She-Hulk, he had everything. All the Disney comics, like, and I actually won a ton of comics, but with a miscommunication and, you know, my bill was too big and I wanted to remove some and it was too difficult. And then in the end, a bunch of my comics were canceled, like invoices. So cry me a river. Like, it was sad. Like, it made me sad, but it was my fault. I overbid. So please be careful on overbidding. Don't bid if you're, like, you know, having problems with the kids or whatever, your mom's yelling at you. Just don't bid. And you know, I overbid, and I was grateful to get these comics at a good price and even free shipping. You know, he was really kind to me, the seller. So please, please go bid on his page. The name is once again here. And yeah, hopefully you have a good bidding. And we will be heading to Toronto very soon to BMV. They sell manga books, comic books, and if you like books as much as I do, I have a gigantic collection of books. Not just comics. I have manga, I have kids books, I have novels. I love books. So if you guys love that, please, please subscribe to my channel, because we are going to Toronto this spring and looking for Batman comics, because my middle brother loves Batman comics and his birthday is coming up in the late spring. And I can't wait to get him some comics. And if you want 100 years of good luck, click that like button. That seems to work for other, you know, YouTubers. So I'm hoping it works for me. Click that like button. If you watch this video, click the like button, because I see lots of people watch the video and I click the like button. But me, I click everyone's button, like. That's just me. I've always been like that. I subscribe to everyone's page. I like everyone's stuff, as long as no kids are hurt, no animals are hurt, you know, there's nothing happening to hurt anyone. I click that like button in a second. Even before I start watching the video, I go like. That's just me. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all in the next adventure. This is your Sega Girl. Say good night. This was a very long video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next adventure. So I did promise to show you guys 3 items I won on a special seller. I don't want to tell you the name because I bid on his page sometimes. And his bid started at $2, and I've won a lot of video games at $2. So these ones are not $2, but I really wanted them to add them to the collection. I have this PSP game here, the Medieval Resurrection. If you can see there. So this is a platform game. I really want to play it. I've had it for 2 weeks. I just haven't had time with the renovations happening here at home. The platform, it doesn't have the booklet, it just has the UMD. So I'm excited about this. And then so this was 13, my bid, my last bid. And there was, I believe, 2 other bidders, but I won, so that's good. And I didn't go really high, I guess. And then I got this Xbox 360 game. This one was $10, Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom. It is a fighting game, and the kids love fighting games, and so do I. It is complete. So this is awesome. Always amazing to have a complete game in the collection. And I did see some PS2 games at Goodwill. That is my previous video to this one, so check that out, guys. I didn't buy any of them because, as you can see, I have PS2 over there, and I have tons of PS2 games. Got some Sega Genesis consoles over here. I have the Sega Master System here because I have to find a new place for them since we're doing some renovations at home. I also picked up another memory card for the PS2. This one's from Japan. This is a blue 8 megabyte memory card. I really like this one. It's my favorite. I also got a red one. I believe this one was $2. So whenever I see them at $2, $2, $3, $4, you know, maximum 5, I do pick them up. I like having extra memory cards. Here's a PS1 memory card. Oh, this one's so nice. My hair used to be this color. Love it. I just love it, guys. Yeah, so I'm happy to add these to collection. Very happy. Do you guys collect anything? If so, leave a comment below because I collect a lot of things and I can't wait to show you all my collection.